she discovered the addiction of drama, and she actually saw it. And once you saw it, we celebrated. Wow, I saw it. I felt it. I've been there. And if you are honest enough, you know in what particular situation that programming get activated, right? And sometimes we look for it. Unconsciously or consciously, we look for it. For example, a woman who have a victim program, what kind of relationship she's gonna look for it? What kind of? Abusive, a person who is not available, a person he's already taken. Can you see all these patterns? And then she will be blaming men, blaming the world, blaming the parents.
Even worse, herself.
Say it again?
Herself.
Oh. Herself what?
She will be blaming herself.
Ah, okay, blaming herself, okay, yeah. But at the end, it's this programming that is running her life, because she's addicted to this feeling, right? And that person will destroy healthy relationships, healthy opportunities, because she's running by a program. It's so powerful, because if you are honest to yourself, you will find a lot of programming that they are running your life, and until now you didn't know it.